I just had a roller blind fall off the wall. I installed it 3 years ago, so I can't remember how it was set up. The one end of the blind has a flat end, which clearly fits into a flat slot on one bracket. The other end has a round point that is spring-loaded. But the hole in the bracket on that side is not large enough to accept it. Am I missing a piece that may have fallen off and rolled somewhere? Or, is the spring load in the round end supposed to be enough to keep it pushed into not big enough hole in that bracket?
Hi, my name is XXXXXX I will be helping you today. The round pin on the one side should fit in the hole of the bracket. There isn't anything that could have fallen off, unless the pin broke off. I would have to see a picture of how the two are coming together. The only other thing I can think of is maybe something got bent, such as the hole in the bracket, in which you would have to fix or drill out.
Here are pics. The hole seems to have a flat side. I don't see how it could have been bent.
Thanks so much for the images. They are very helpful. I have never seen a bracket without a round hole. It appears that the odd-shaped hole has actually cut the pin off, over time. I can see evidence of this in your picture. You can either purchase a replacement pin end or a new shade. The pin end should look like this. The white part on yours is just an extension, but you should have a full metal pin on top of the white part. It has been cut off.
So I should have an additional metal pin sticking out the end of the white pin on mine.
Yes. I am looking at my blind on my window in front of me. It has the white piece and the metal pin.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.